No pills, no strict diets, just one glass of this simple morning drink may help support a slimmer, lighter body over time. Would you like to support your weight goals naturally, without taking pills or following strict diets? If your answer is yes, then today's video is made just for you. Stay with us until the end to discover a simple homemade drink that may help boost your metabolism, support fat burning, and gently cleanse your body, all made from everyday ingredients right in your kitchen. The first ingredient in today's recipe is garlic, a familiar kitchen staple that also serves as a gentle natural support for overall wellness and healthy weight management. You'll need about 5 cloves of garlic. Peel them carefully to get ready for the next step. Garlic contains allicin, a natural compound known for supporting metabolism and helping the body manage fat more efficiently. It may also aid digestion support, liver function, help maintain healthy cholesterol and blood sugar levels, and promote overall heart health, leaving you feeling lighter and more energized each day. After peeling the cloves, crush the garlic to help release more of its natural allicin. Garlic may not only support fat metabolism, but can also help reduce cravings, making it easier to manage your portions naturally without feeling restricted. It's also known to support immune health, helping your body stay strong and energized throughout your natural wellness journey. Have you ever tried using garlic in your wellness or cleansing routines? Share your experience in the comments below. Your simple tip might inspire and help many others. Now, let's move on to our next ingredient and the star of today's recipe: the apple. Many people don't realize that apples are a true golden fruit in natural wellness recipes. They're refreshing, rich in fiber, and can help you feel satisfied longer while keeping your body light and comfortable. Rinse the apples well and slice them thinly to help release their natural goodness. Apples are low in calories but rich in soluble fiber, especially pectin, which can help you feel full longer, reduce cravings, and make it easier to avoid snacking. They also help support healthy blood sugar levels, assist with insulin balance, and promote better metabolism, encouraging the body's natural fat-burning process in a gentle, safe way. Did you know that eating an apple before your main meal may help you naturally eat about 15 to 20% fewer calories during that meal? It's a simple yet effective tip for anyone looking to maintain a healthy shape or support gentle natural weight management. And now, let's move on to the third ingredient, a small root with powerful benefits: ginger. We only need a small piece for this recipe. Rinse it thoroughly to remove any dirt or residue. Ginger has been valued for thousands of years in traditional wellness practices for its ability to support metabolism, ease inflammation, and gently warm the body. It may also help balance energy, support healthy blood sugar levels, and naturally reduce cravings, making it easier to eat mindfully, improve digestion, and help minimize fat buildup, especially around the waist and thighs. Great Or finely slice the ginger if you'd like to soften its spicy flavor this way. The taste becomes milder while still keeping all its natural warmth and goodness. It's wonderful to see so many of you watching this video from all around the world. Tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? Are you in the US, Australia, or somewhere in Europe? No matter where you are, it's such a joy that we're all connected by the same love for natural wellness and the simple, wholesome ingredients that help us care for our bodies every day. Now that we've prepared all the ingredients, it's time to complete this wonderful natural wellness drink. First, place the garlic, apple, and ginger into a heat-resistant glass jar or container. Next, pour in about 4 cups, 1 quart of boiling water, and let it steep for around 10 minutes. This allows all the natural compounds to blend beautifully into the water. This step is essential. It helps draw out the beneficial elements that may support gentle weight management, natural cleansing, and a steady boost of energy while still keeping the wholesome nutrients intact. Once the water has slightly cooled, add 3 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Apple cider vinegar is often seen as a helpful companion in natural wellness routines. It may help support healthy blood sugar levels, reduce cravings, and promote smoother digestion and fat metabolism. Meanwhile, honey brings a gentle, natural sweetness to the drink, adding a pleasant flavor while keeping it light and low in calories. When all the ingredients come together, they create a refreshing drink that may support gentle weight management, natural cleansing, and healthy-looking skin. And best of all, it's pleasantly easy to enjoy. Let the mixture cool slightly, then pour it into a cup and sip it while it's still warm. The soothing heat of ginger combined with the mild tang of apple cider vinegar and the delicate sweetness of honey creates a comforting flavor that feels relaxing and heartwarming from the very first sip. Store any remaining drink in the refrigerator and enjoy it within 2 days to keep its freshness, natural flavor, and full benefits. Have 1 small glass in the morning on an empty stomach or about 30 minutes before a meal. After a few days of regular use, you may start to feel lighter, less bloated, and more refreshed with steady energy to carry you through the day. Listen to your body, be kind to yourself, and make this simple habit part of your daily routine, because good health is the most precious gift we can give ourselves in our golden years. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips. Natural beauty, healthy every day.